I'm here in the city of joy, Calcutta, and I'm going to cook one of the signature dishes here, which is very much a home-cooked dish. And I can't believe I'm here at this rooftop. It's absolutely stunning. And the music behind me is apparently a Hindu kind of home temple that they do whenever they've had a shower or they've cleansed themselves, they ring the bell. So we definitely know that the household is a clean household. So let's start off with this dish first. It's all about the mustard seed oil, which is a typical Bengali signature trait in their dishes. So we're going to have mustard oil in here. And then we're going to add in a little bit of chili. And we're going to break the chili up here as well. There we go, pop that in there. Then we're going to put a bit of cumin in there as well. Sprinkle that in. Ginger garlic paste we have here, pop that in. Look at that, beautiful. It's all coming together. Spitting a little bit, but that's okay. Then we're going to add in our gourd in here. Let's just put it all in. Just fry that off. And then we're going to add a little bit of stock. So you need to break down this first, and you need to make it soft. So we're just going to add a little bit of stock in here, pop that in, and we're just going to cook this out. There we go. Okay, so we're also going to add in a little bit of salt into this. Also a little bit of sugar, because actually this dish is meant to have a touch of sweetness, especially because it's a white curry, and white curries generally in India are a little bit sweeter. So as you can see that the vegetables and the enzymes are coming out of it, so therefore the curry is getting a bit thicker, that we're going to add in our poppy seed paste. So in here is basically blended small chilies, and then also we've blended the poppy seeds in here, and we're just going to add in some of this. Probably add in quite a bit of it there, like that, I think. And then we're just going to stir that through. Okay, so I think we're ready to start serving this. Here we go. Okay, and here we have our Lauki curry with poppy seed, or it's our gourd curry with poppy seed and chili. Let's have a wee taster. And remember, Bengali food is a little bit sweet. That is so good, and it's so simple. Oh, love this one.